The flyweight title fight is set between Alexander the Cannibal Pantoja and Joshua Van. Pantoja is the champion, a veteran with high-level grappling, strong clinch control, and the calmness that comes with experience. His likely plan is to take the fight to the ground, use pressure, and look for submission chances. Van is the young contender, fast and fearless. His boxing is sharp, his punches are heavy, and his footwork gives him angles to strike. He has also worked on his takedown defense, knowing he needs to keep the fight standing. The key battles will be: can Pantoja take Van down and control him on the mat? Can Van keep distance and land clean punches? Will cardio and composure favor the experienced champion in the later rounds? And, as always, one big punch or submission could end the fight instantly. The prediction leans toward Pantoja keeping the belt. His grappling and experience give him the safer path. Still, Van has real upset potential if he can stop the takedowns and punish Pantoja on the feet. Most likely, Van starts well with his striking, but as the fight goes on, Pantoja drags him into grappling exchanges. By the later rounds, Pantoja's control and fight IQ make the difference. The champion either wins a close decision or finds a late submission.